What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome to another video. Thank you guys so much for making it ChriSamz YouTube channel for your property tours and update. And we're here to give you guys another update on Oak Estate. Alright, specifically we'll be focusing pretty much on the townhouses, which is the colony. Those are now being sold. We have a nice drone shot for you, giving you just a little 360 of the townhouse that is currently painted. You guys would have seen this short video on their social media page. Hope you guys are keeping yourself up to date with these things. Like we've mentioned before, we give you the updates as they come, but you need to also be visiting the other sites for these updates as well. Alright, so the colony, the end units are being sold for $38 million plus escalation, as well as the inner units are being sold for $37.5 plus escalation, and these are 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. So guys, we're going to jump into the drone shot so you can see how development is progressing. And remember to like the videos, remember to subscribe, remember to share, remember to leave your comment, and the properties will also be available for viewing. I was trying to check with the developers if these viewings are subjected to those who already made a deposit, because they advise that you contact your sales agent. However, I was unable to make contact with a sales agent as all calls went unanswered. But I managed to obtain this information. I will definitely drop a short post, whether it be a picture or a short video, giving you guys that update. So guys, enjoy this drone shot, and I'll catch you on the other side to tell you what I think or hear what you do. In the comments down below, tell me what you think about these houses, alright?
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be 2 hearts running wild. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The best we ever had, and we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regret.
Yes guys, so there we have it, another drone update for the Oak Estate development being done by Kemtek. We just did another check on their social media page, and they're saying that the date for viewing is February 28th. So if you're able and if you're interested in viewing the townhouses, make it a date. Still try to go ahead and to contact somebody from the development to see if they can confirm with you that it is an open invitation for viewing. All right, like I've said, once we get the updates, we'll push those out there. If we can get on the inside of one of these units, we'll definitely give you guys a view and to explain to you the feel of the place. But from the outside, they're looking very lovely. Remember the prices, 37.5 for the inner units and 38 million for the end units. And these are prices plus the escalation. So you have to bear that in mind. So thank you guys so much for making it ChriSamz. We always try to give you the best because you deserve the best. Remember to share out the videos. Remember to watch the ads. Remember to comment. Remember to like. Don't be selfish. Share, 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 and we'll catch you guys in another video. So take care, and it's peace out from ChriSamz.